Okay, kids, now I want to ask you something. Do you know what letter this one is? Yes, this is the letter U. The sound it makes is U. Now let's see what words start with the letter U. Up. Up. This is something that you wear under your dress. Underwear. Underwear. It's raining, but don't worry, you have this one. What is it? Anybody knows? This is an umbrella. Umbrella. And this is a part of a cow. Look, parts of the cow's body. It's an udder. Udder. Okay, this where the milk goes out. Okay, udder. Okay, now how if I ask you something? What is this one? Yes, you're right. Up. Up. And which one that you can use in the rainy day? Umbrella. Yay, you're right. And where is the underwear? No. Oh, okay. No. Where is it? This one. Yeah. Underwear. And how about this one? Do you know what this one is? Yes, this is udder. Udder. Good job, kids. Now you can play it again with your mom. Bye-bye.